This athletic calf sequence is exactly what some of your clients need, specifically if they are pickleball players, tennis, and long-distance bike riders. Besides using my hands for this massage sequence, I will also be using a hot towel and a massage gun. Okay, let's jump into the techniques. Because my hands are crossed, I am able to internally and externally rotate the foot while applying some medium to firm pressure. If your body mechanics are correct and your posture is very good, you can do this without applying a lot of pressure to the calcaneus, even though you are using it for rotation. Also, the bolster supports the ankle while doing that technique. Now we're going to lift the foot up to create some slack in the calf muscles and work the major muscles of the posterior leg. The three techniques that I will be using the most are jostling, stripping, and petrissage. Now let's repeat the palm pressure again. Remember, check in with your client and apply pressure or decrease pressure as necessary. This is the perfect time to talk about why those three athletic events are perfect for this type of techniques. So pickleball players, the frequent start and stopping, tennis players constantly pivoting and playing on hard courts, long distance cyclists, being clipped in keeps the ankle in a relatively fixed position. This helps loosen all that up. Now let's return back again to the jostling and the petrissage and the stripping techniques. A little bit of a personal note here. I have clients that compete in these events. This is the reason why I put this sequence together. It works really well. Definitely give it a try, especially if you see your clients multiple times a month.